We'll be fitting an auto stock, a traction device for snowy and icy conditions. These are self-centering and easy to install. I'm going to go ahead and start by putting the upper half of the auto stock on the tire before moving the vehicle forward and installing the remainder of the auto stock. So at this point, we'll drive forward. So we've driven our vehicle forward, so the remainder of the auto stock is accessible. I'm going to go ahead and just pull this over the tire. This will center itself as we drive, so we're all done.